Hi, my name is Kenneth Ott from Spring, Texas, and I want to talk to you about my experience with Fund&Grow. We were introduced to Fund&Grow because my wife and I wanted to start our own business. Again, every time we start our own business, it's the same story. We don't have any money, we don't have any credit. Maybe I can go down to the bank and borrow $10,000, $15,000, but without collateral, that's hard to do. Even with my credit, I'm a computer programmer. I make fair money. I'm really good about taking care of my money and paying my bills on time, so my credit rating is pretty fair. Man looks across the table at me and says, "Ken, I can get you $100,000. I said, "Yeah, right. You can give me $100,000, maybe $50,000, and even then it would be 25 to 33% interest. I'm not going to use a card like that." Boy, was I wrong. My agent, John Madison, hooked me up with Fund&Grow, and it got me 6 cards. Now I had to give them all the information. It's a financial transaction. You got to give them, I had to give them, you're going to have to give them all your information, including your driver's license and your social security number. Okay, don't be stupid like I was and go ahead and give them that information. It'll save you time. And other than giving them the information, there were a few phone calls and a few emails that I had to reply, and all the effort was done by Fund&Grow. And when it was over, said and done with, I had 6 credit cards with a combined credit limit of over $120,000 of credit line. No, not at 25 or 33%, but from 14 to 23% interest. But that's not the good news. The good news is these credit cards, every one of them, have an interest rate of 0% for the first 9 months. Some of them have 0% for 14 months. So it boils down to one simple question. If you and your significant other want to start a business, what would you do with $100,000 worth of credit for 9 to 14 months? Decision's yours.